Do you want to get rid of this buzzing sound? In this video, I have two methods that you can get rid of this buzzing sound. This is the first method. Connect USB-C or Thunderbolt adapter to iPhone or Samsung. Connect one end of the auxiliary cord to your adapter and the other end to your car auxiliary port. Connect one end of the power cable to the adapter. Connect the other end of the power cable to the battery pack. If you choose to go with this route, the battery pack could cost you anywhere between $50 to $100 depend on the brand and capacity. If your battery pack running low on powers, you can connect your USB-C to charge your battery pack. I only use this method for my last resort, but I also have another way that you can eliminate that sound. This is my best method right here. Connect the adapter to your iPhone or Samsung. Connect the auxiliary cord to your headphone port. Connect the other auxiliary cord to your ground loop noise isolator. Connect the auxiliary cord from your isolator to your car auxiliary port. Connect your power source to yours adapters. This method is your cheap and affordable. The noise isolators is going to cost you under $10. Here are the result when you connect all this in. Inside that video that you just saw, the buzzing sound go away. I like to use that method first because that method you don't have to carry a battery pack. Here are the pictures that I got from Amazon. Here are the information on the ground loop noise isolator. The ground loop noise isolator can be used to achieve a clear speech, music by eliminating the humming noise in some car speakers, home stereo systems. Help you to enjoy the clean and clear sound. Completely eliminate the buzzing noise caused by ground loops while playing music in some car speaker using Bluetooth. Eliminate the buzzing noise caused by ground loop, which happens when the audio source and the speaker use the same power source. I recommend you guys get one of this to try it out if you have that buzzing sound. That is all I have for you for this video. Let me know what you guys think about this video. If you guys think that this video is very helpful for you guys, please hit that like and subscribe to my channel for more. Please share this video to your friend, family, or someone that you know who is running into this problem. Once again, thank you for watching my videos and you guys have a great day.